Our company, WrapEco, creates biodegradable food wrap packaging. We will be looking at the business model canvas to get a better understanding of how our business will operate. Firstly, we'll look at our value proposition. For the sustainable, goal-oriented restaurant who is looking to reduce their carbon footprint and heighten their eco-friendly brand image, WrapEco is an environmentally friendly producer of biodegradable food wrap packaging.
Customer relationship. Starting out, Rapico will have a direct relationship with restaurants through in-person sales meetings. As a startup company, this will allow our product to become more well-known and allow us to grow. But eventually, once our product develops and becomes well-recognized, we hope to move our product online and make our product have an indirect relationship. Channels. Restaurants and grocery stores will order our product directly from our website. Customer segment. Starting out, we are targeting restaurants in the Greater Toronto area that strive to promote their environmental brand image. Here, we plan on growing our business and become more well-known. Eventually, we plan to expand to grocery stores. Overall, our end target consumer are people that are actively looking for ways on trying to reduce their carbon footprint.
Next, we will be discussing our key partners. In the initial steps of our startup, we will be partnering with researchers and developers to create our product, then with a manufacturing company to produce. And lastly, as mentioned in our customer segment, we will partner with restaurants in the GTA first, and as we grow, begin a partnership with grocery stores. Now, in key activities, like our first key partners, we will start our activities by completing research and development and gross manufacturing. Next, we will need to begin cold calling companies to set up meetings, as mentioned in our direct customer relationship, to get our product known. Lastly, we will begin delivering and distributing our product with the use of our leased delivery truck. For key resources, as mentioned in the last two segments, 3 of our key resources are manufacturing, research and development team, and the leased delivery truck. Additionally, we will have our website as another resource.
Now let's go into the cost structure. Our first initial costs are going to be overhead startup costs, such as getting a business license from the government. Our next significant cost is going to be research and development. Research and development is a key cost because we need to invest in intellectual capital. Research and development also falls into key activities as we need to find the proper materials for us to source this food wrap. Their next significant cost is manufacturing costs. Manufacturing costs are needed to produce our product. We're going to be outsourcing it to another supplier. Research and development and manufacturing fall into one of the early stages of key activities. Our next significant cost is starting up a website and other e-commerce platforms. The website needs to look professional, and we're going to have to pay a monthly fee for it. Our next significant cost is going to be leasing a company truck. We'll be leasing a company truck because it is less of an initial investment as purchasing a truck full on. A truck is also in resources as we need it to deliver our wraps to all the different restaurants and grocery stores. Now let's go into revenue streams. Our first revenue stream is putting premium add-ons onto our wraps, such as adding on logos or other details and graphics onto the wrap. We will first start by selling in bulk to restaurants. And then once we gain an adequate account restaurant base, we will then transfer into grocery stores such as Longos or Loblaws.
Now we conclude the analysis of our business model canvas. The business model canvas helps us describe the functions and structure we will build our company on. By connecting all of these elements, we get a better understanding of how WrapEco will operate.